When we talk about network data, there's obviously a very, very rich, very huge amount of data from the source address, the destination address, to the rate of traffic, to the type of messages, to the equipment used to communicate across the network. So a lot of information, and you can easily turn into information overload. So you want to keep a little bit more than what you're using so that you have some room for growth. That's my philosophy. Some of the data I look at a lot when I'm trying to kind of profile how a system has changed over time. There's some simple ones. The amount of broadcast traffic. It's a very simple metric. It's boring, but it's very revealing. Especially in a BACnet system where you don't watch it, it tends to have a lot more broadcast traffic than you want. And broadcast traffic is in general quite devastating on system performance. So tracking the amount of broadcast traffic as a basic metric can give you some indication of how the system is growing and is it leading to some problems. The second would be what devices are connected. If you're in the world of cybersecurity, you need to know what you have. But even just in the world of operations, if you have 1,000 devices today and you have 1,100 devices tomorrow, and then you trend towards 5,000, you might want to use that to take a moment and re-architect your BBMDs, your routers, and so on. The last one I would say is keeping an eye on the BBMDs, foreign devices. Those are big Achilles heel in terms of BACnet systems. They can be easily exploited from a cybersecurity standpoint. So monitoring the activity, what is communicating with the BBMD, what's coming in, what's going out. If you're able to get that level of monitoring, that can be very, very valuable. And as your broadcast traffic, as these subnets are growing, the BBMD tends to be a pretty easy place to look at that growth of the traffic.